Best After Sales Head Automaker Two-Wheeler category. And to present this, I invite Mr. B. Madhusudan, Sales Director, ITW, Mr. Amit Jain, CEO, Jubilant Motorworks, and Mr. M. Dhananjayan, MD, Focus Group, India and Dubai. And the VAF star is Mr. Rajendra Bhatt, After Sales Head, TVS Motors. Under Mr. Bhatt's leadership, TVS Motor Company has had the distinction of winning the JD Power Award for customer service satisfaction for 3 years in a row. During the financial year 2020, it launched 13 new variants in the scooter and premium motorcycle segments, with an entry into the EV and internet-connected vehicle segment. To improve customer service delivery, the company deployed mobile vans to train technicians in rural areas. With exports to over 60 countries, TVS Motor has the largest share in the export market. I would like to invite Mr. Bhatt to say a few words, please.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to really stick to those few words only. So it's indeed an honor to accept this recognition on behalf of our backend team, dealer fraternity, and front-end team. Internally, we say that TVS stands for trust, value, and service. And hence, service is an aspirational differentiator for us. So, be the genesis of the group where it was said that when TVS Group started with launch of bus transport service in Madurai, people used to set their watches based on their sighting of our buses. So if a bus was supposed to go at 3:15, they would look at their watch, and if there is a difference, they would set the watch rather than just the bus. So that was the kind of preciseness that the group founders encouraged and gave a direction for us to follow. And this pandemic did challenge us to reach out to customers in need in a faster manner and help them in challenging circumstances. So reaching out to customer itself was a huge challenge for us. Whenever they were stranded, there were policemen, there were doctors, and there were many such circumstances where normally you would have felt helpless when there is a curfew, when we don't have best of our technicians readily available at hand, and they are all dispersed in different locations in the country. So a real test of the values was made here, and we actually put almost all of our customers who reached out to us on the road and helped in a small way, in our own way, to support the country in running at least essential services. So the innovations that brought out in the process was really learning for us, and it is going to really be an aspiration for us whenever we face similar challenging times. And I also thank the jury who took a lot of time and efforts to evaluate the information that they were having sitting in evenings in the personal times, as described by Anuj, and putting forth a verdict on this. So I once again thank everyone who is involved, who really should be taking this award. However, I very humbly accept this award on behalf of all those who made this possible. Thank you very much.
That's fantastic, Mr. Bhatt. And friends, I would also like to share one very interesting trivia or fact with you, that Mr. Bhatt happens to be that WAF star who also has a record. He has the maximum WAF star trophies as well. Mr. Bhatt, correct me if I'm wrong, this is a fifth WAF star, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, you are right.
So Mr. Bhatt also stands for consistent performance, so as they say, it's tough to be number one, but it's tougher to maintain that position. So that's about a TVS company, the company, the group, the culture. And Mr. Bhatt, thank you so much for sharing that trivia. On the bus. I really remember it. I use it as an example. Something very special. And also the presenters, please, if you want to say something, DJ, you want to say something,
Yeah.
please feel free. And also the other presenters.
I think Madhu wants to go first.
Yeah, Mr.
Yeah.
Madhavan? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a really great honor and privilege to present and congratulate Mr. Rajendra Bhatt sir for this prestigious award given by the jury in recognition for all your great achievements and contributions in this difficult and tough times of pandemic. In fact, I think we again congratulate you and your team for all the efforts as you have mentioned and for making this at this platform. In fact, who we are, I think I just like to brief you, sir, is that we are from ITW Polymers and Fluids Group. And we are also very proud to be associated with TVS Motor Company for more than 2 decades now with various products in manufacturing and process engineering, meeting your specific requirements and challenges year on year. In fact, we ITW are very happy to announce that one of our product has made its inroad and got your approval in the service applications to the TrueSpray brand, which will be starting in this January 2021. I think this we feel is a very great achievement, and we also are very happy to be associated with the Wahaf team. In fact, on behalf of ITW, myself and my colleague Deepak Sachdev would like to thank Anujji, Jerry, and Team Wahaf for giving us this opportunity to participate, present in this wonderful and innovative virtual award function. I think great efforts by IIT team as well. I'm wishing everyone all the best and a happy new year. Thank you again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And also like to say that ITW had also partnered CFBI, that is Citizens for Better India, our NGO arm, for distribution of woolens for people on the streets. So really appreciate that effort. People at ITW surely have a heart of gold. Kudos for that.
Yeah. So congratulations to Bhatt. I think I know him for the last 18 plus years now. He always believed in consistency. That's where Watts has been already an example. And more than that, he has been continuously striving on the customer satisfaction front and continuously building the retail team. Congratulations, Bhatt. We look forward for more awards in your thing. And very, very happy to be presenting this to him.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.